Oyster's reporting features are an absolute game changer if you're looking to stay on top of your HR and employee data. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to leverage them effectively and why they're worth your attention, especially if you're new to the software. First off, let's talk about how Oyster gives you powerful reporting tools right at your fingertips. The platform allows you to easily generate detailed reports on your global team, giving you access to insights you might otherwise miss. Whether you need to track payroll, compliance, or time off, Oyster streamlines this all into customizable reports. One of the first things you'll notice is how intuitive the reporting dashboard is. When you log in, you'll be greeted with an overview of your team and all the essential metrics you need at a glance. But the real magic happens when you start diving into the specific report types that Oyster offers. There's no need to be an expert in data analysis. Oyster makes it simple. For payroll reports, you can quickly pull up detailed breakdowns of employee compensation across different regions. This is especially useful if you have teams scattered globally and need to ensure everyone is paid correctly and on time. You can also segment the data by employee type, pay frequency, and more. Just a few clicks, and you're set. Next, the compliance reports are an absolute must if you're managing a remote team. Oyster takes care of the complexities of international labor laws for you, so you can pull reports that ensure you're meeting all necessary requirements for each country your employees are in. From tax documents to local regulations, it's all handled in one place. Then there are the time off reports, which are perfect for tracking vacation days, sick leave, and other employee absences. You can see who's out, when, and why, helping you stay on top of your workforce availability. The system automatically calculates the time off balances, making it incredibly easy to manage this crucial part of employee admin. But here's the kicker. What really sets Oyster apart is its flexibility. You can customize these reports to match your needs. Want to see data by department, location, or project? No problem. Oyster lets you filter your reports in a way that makes sense for your business. Now, let me quickly mention a feature that'll help you save even more time. Automatic report generation. You can schedule reports to run automatically, so you're not wasting time manually pulling data every week. This is a great way to ensure you're always on top of things without having to constantly check the software. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that you can try Oyster for free with an exclusive bonus by clicking the link in the description below. This is your chance to see firsthand how these reporting features can take your HR operations to the next level. Oyster's reporting features are powerful, easy to use, and adaptable to the way you work. Whether you're managing payroll, compliance, or time off, you'll have all the insights you need to keep your global team running smoothly. If you're ready to dive in, don't forget to grab your extended free trial through the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.